Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at a clog clog cleaner or a clog cleaning drain cleaner. This is two sets that come with this. I'm going to show you this in 1 second. I'm going to give you a quick idea of how it works. You can use it to just get in there and clean out the drains like that. You can get into the side of the drains. You can pull all the hair out. You can see how all the hair comes out and everything by twisting it. So the technology is, and I actually like this one quite a bit. Let me just show it to you. So we have two different colors. They do the exact same thing. You get inside there and you can fish it in there. And what you want to do is you want to get down deep into the drain. So a lot of times there's hair. Most of the time I find personally, especially in the shower, I don't know about you, is that a lot of the paraffin from the shampoos and the different products that we use in the shower clog up the drain. And to break that up, you really need something long like this with a handle on it, and also has like a little saw action going on here. What that does, it'll break up the hair, and most importantly, it'll cut up some of that wax, because paraffin is wax. So a lot of these products have paraffin in it, and that's a wax base. So once you get in it, you just basically cut it almost like a knife. You get it all around there, and you basically cut all that out, and you dig it all out, and you want to get in deep as you can. This is why this is super long like this. So I like that. So these are super important, a must-have if you have a drain, and everybody has a drain, so I think it's super important for everybody. So this is what it looks like. Again, two different colors that they come with. They have a nice big handle on it. You can see here. You can grab onto it and you can actually get in there and get that saw action going. You can move it all around the drain like this here. So you can move it all around the drain, get it in there and just move it all around the drain, and you're going to break up and you're going to cut up the hair, the paraffin, the dirt, the grime, whatever's in it, and you're going to go as deep as you possibly can, even into the trap area. The idea is to break it up and just move it all, twist it, move it and twist it, and then kind of circle it as much as you can. Now, the idea behind that is to break it up and then rinse it down with hot water. If you need to use a plunger, you can do that as well. So there's a couple different tricks that you can use. But first of all, first thing you have to do is you have to kind of break it up and get it in there. Get in there and break it up. And these are very, very sharp. Let me just show you these teeth here. You can see these here. These are very, very sharp, and they're going to destroy anything that's in its way as far as hair and paraffin and all that kind of stuff. So these are really nice and long. Let me just give you some quick measurements here while I have everything open to just show you. So each one of these is approximately, give you 19¼ inches long. That gives more than enough space to get in there really, really deep and get in there and break it up. So that's what I have for you. I think this is an absolute must. You have to have this if you have a house with drain issues, even if it's not even clogged, even once every few months. Get in there and just give it a quick cleaning. That way you have no issues whatsoever. So highly recommend, 10 out of 10 in my book. I purchased these myself. They were not given to me by the company, just to be fair and transparent. All the views are mine, and all the comments are mine as far as how I feel about this product. Been using it for a while. This is my second set. I just want to make a quick video and just show you what they look like and my thoughts on the process and how I use it. So this is what I have for you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely go ahead and get yourself a set of these. You definitely need these. Are not expensive, but honestly, they're going to save you a fortune in plumber bills and keep that drain clean. That's the main thing. All right, guys, appreciate it as always. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next review. And follow this channel and subscribe. If you whatever channel you're watching this on, whatever platform you're on, definitely subscribe to the channel. Follow me if you're following this channel. Go ahead and do that. It helps me out quite a bit, and I appreciate that. And go ahead and purchase these. You can't go wrong. It's a great deal. I love them. They work. Thanks for watching.